All right, today now let me show you how to actually create a new project in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the very first thing you need to do is to quickly launch your Premiere Pro software, just like you can see now. Then you now quickly click on this new project. You now click on this create. Then you see a whole lot of options here. Never get confused, okay? So the very first thing you need to do is to head into this title and then give it a title. For the purpose of this one, let's just give it this title, as you can see now. Then you now scroll down, you see create sequence here by the right hand side, just like you can see now. Then you now click on sequence, and then you still give it exact name that you give to the title, because you're not expected to give it random names or you just create sequence in numbers. No, the very first thing you need to do is to get the project name. Let's say for the purpose of illustration, let's say you are editing a wedding trailer, you can now title the project wedding as the case may be, or you title it wedding trailer with the couple's name. Then you now come to the sequence and then you give it similar name. If you don't want to keep typing, you can just quickly copy and paste it on the sequence, just the title of the project to the sequence, and then you now scroll down to this down line like this, where you can see create now, and then you click on create. Now watch what happens. So this is just how simple it is to actually create a new project as a total beginner who just dive into the Adobe Premiere Pro software trying to create something beautiful, as the case may be. Stay connected for more awesome content like this, because I drop content like this on a daily basis that helps beginner creators, intermediates, or even pro to elevate and step up their creativity on a daily basis.